Hello everybody, this is Ed. Today we're checking out this cordless power drill. This one is from SunPay. Seller sent me this to check out. So this is all that you get in the box. Got your user manual. This is your charger, and your charger charges right here for each battery. You get a variety of drill and screwdriver bits. You also get a flexible shaft to get into tight spaces. This is really cool. So this drill delivers 620 inch-pounds of torque, is a quieter, spark-free, and offers significant more power and a longer lifespan than brushed motors. So you get two 2 amp hour batteries with built-in safety protections. Each charges in an hour and a half, allowing you continuous workflow through battery swapping. And it goes in just like this. And then you also have a battery meter right here. So if you want to see your battery level, just hit the trigger. As you can see, this battery is fully charged. You also get a light here. See how bright this light is. I like the fact that it's a full LED right here. Gives a ton of brightness. Another cool thing about this drill is that you have a 3-in-1 mode selector. So you got a screwdriver, drilling, hammer drill. So this is a very versatile tool here that have these options. And you have 23 torque settings, and you have 2 speed ranges right here. So right here it's on number 1. Click it out up to number 2. It's also equipped with a 3/8 inch all metal keyless chuck and an ergonomic handle to reduce fatigue. As you can see, this product is well designed, really comfortable in the hand. You can work with this thing all day without having any issues. So in conclusion, this cordless drill kit offers a high torque brushless motor and a dual battery system, making it a powerful and reliable choice for continuous DIY projects. With its versatile 3-in-1 functionality and comprehensive accessory set, it provides everything a homeowner needs for efficient drilling and screw driving in wood, metal, or masonry.